Hello, Crabwoods here. Testing out a Christmas gift my family gave me, a LIXADA LIXADA. It's a little wood burning stove. Comes apart in pieces and comes with a storage pouch. I'll put the link below. Comes with a nice little storage pouch with a Velcro closure. There's 6 pieces to this stove. So what you have here is 4 metal walls that fit together with tabs, and then you have a floor plate that's perforated, and then there is a cup, and I'm guessing the cup is maybe to catch ashes that fall. I don't know. If anyone knows and you could tell me, I'd love to know. It does not come with any instructions. Seems pretty self-explanatory. Now I just picked up little bits of sycamore twigs that are on the ground and using those to make my fire. Nice thing about this is you can just use twigs that you find on the ground or from the tree. Been running it for a few minutes, so I should have a boil pretty close here. Oh yeah, just about coffee time. I'm doing this on a pedestal barbecue. The park has a rule here about you have to have fires up off the ground. Can't have them on the ground and do turf damage. So for safety, I'm just going ahead and doing it here up on the pedestal barbecue. But you know, if you were dispersed camping, you could clear off a good safe area and have water and a shovel on hand and do your fire safely that way. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little kit. You know, it saves you spending money on butane or propane. You can carry it in this little pouch. It's really easy. So I think it's ready to have some coffee here. And yeah, I'm going to do some instant. Yeah, so I've got a rolling boil in there. So there we have it. Nice hot cup of coffee in my Cooksa. And again, that's with the LIXADA, L-I-X-A-D-A little wood stove. And again, I will put the link below. I think it was probably like a $10 or $15 item. I can't imagine it was all that much. So big thanks to my family for the nice gift. I'm really enjoying it today. A little day camping out here. So cheers, y'all. We'll talk to you later.